Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of coordinate geometry. Here in the question, if a tangent plane to the ellipsoid meets the coordinate axis in the point A, B and C, prove that the locus of the centroid of the triangle AB is. Let's solve the problem. Given ellipsoid is, that is, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1. This is the ellipsoid. We have to first write a equation of tangent. Write a equation of tangent to the ellipsoid. Ellipsoid is, that is, x alpha upon a square plus y beta upon b square plus z gamma upon c square. This is the tangent equation of the given ellipsoid. And further, we can also write the equation of tangent plane, that is x is equal to a square upon, once again, a square upon alpha and plus y upon b square upon beta plus of z is equal to c square upon gamma. We can also write the given equation. And further we have to find the point of coordinate at axis of A, B and C. For A, that is a square upon alpha 0 comma 0, and for B, that is 0 comma b square upon beta, and for C, that is 0 comma 0 comma c square upon gamma. This is the coordinate axis of the equation of tangent plane, and we have to find the centroid of the triangle. Here, find centroid of the triangle ABC, that is, on taking alpha square up, a square upon alpha plus 0 by 3 for x axis, that is a square upon alpha 3 alpha. This is the value of for x axis. Similarly, we have to find for y axis, that is b square upon 3 beta, and for z axis, that is c square upon 3 gamma. We have to put the value of x, y and z in the given ellipsoid of equation 1, putting the value of x, y and z in the given ellipsoid. we have to put for x is equal to a square upon 3 alpha, that is, one second, we have to put in place of x, we have to put, that is, a square upon 3 alpha, that is a square upon 3 alpha का whole square plus of 1 upon b square, and in place of y we have to put b square upon 3 beta का whole square plus 1 upon c square. In place of z we have to put c square upon 3 gamma का whole square is equal to 1. Further we have to solve, that is 1 upon a square, and here is a की power 4 upon 3 alpha square plus of 1 upon b square, and here is b की power 4 upon 9 beta square, and here is also 9 plus of 1 upon c square, and that is c की power 4 upon 9 gamma square is equal to 1. From here, that is c square to c की power 4 is cancelled, remaining is c square. Also from here b square to b की power 4 cancelled, that is b square is remaining, and from here is also a square to a की power 4 cancelled, that is a square is remaining. Further we have to write, that is a square upon 9 alpha square and plus b square upon 9 beta square plus of c square is equal to 9 gamma square is equal to 1. We have to further proceed. That is a square upon alpha square plus of b square upon beta square and plus c square upon gamma square. Taking 9 common from each part, that is 1 by 9, and 1 by 9 cross multiplication with 1, that is a square upon alpha square plus b square upon beta square plus of c square upon gamma square is equal to 9. We have to find the locus of the centroid. Then we have to satisfy, that is alpha, beta and gamma. We can also put, that is x, y, z. That is a square upon x square plus of b square upon y square plus of c square upon z square is equal to 9. This is the required locus of the given centroid. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.